I'm introducing the recent update to the Secop Toolkit, the new Tool4Cool extension. With that new Tool4Cool extension for the toolkit, you are able to use your mobile phone, the tool you carry anyway in your pocket, to optimize your refrigeration system. With that toolkit and with the Tool4Cool extension for it, you have a powerful tool in your pocket to optimize your refrigeration system. The smartphone you carry anyway, you can optimize in your laboratory condition the refrigeration system without any hassle, without using a computer, without using additional resistors or any hardware. Just connect your mobile phone and adjust the regulators.